Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Joe. So in today's video I'll be revealing the Club La La Land Crafts February kit. And so as always, every kit comes in a nice padded envelope. So this is what this one looks like. And then today's kit, it's going retro. So you get a set of stamps, two set of stamps, and you get a set of dies. And if you're not familiar with this kit, it's a monthly club kit that you subscribe to, and you have an option to receive the full kit that includes the stamps and the dies, or you can choose to subscribe to only a stamp monthly kit or a dies only monthly kit. So you have options. I'll put the link to my blog and also the club kit in the description box below. So again, this kit is going to be retro. In the kit you get this product info sheet here. So you have two stamp set. One is Retro Marcy in her cute little skirt and glasses and high ponytail. And then also you get these cute little poodles, and this one's called Good Times, along with coordinating sentiments. Then next you get three sets of dies. The first die is a jukebox, then it's a milkshake, and then also some french fries. So this whole kit is valued at $77.99, but for the monthly kit it is $39.99. So you get the product sheet here, and then you always get this nice postcard that says Club La La Land Crafts and a thank you on the back. So you could choose to place your rubber stamps on here to store it. So you get this. Then next you get the dies. So here is the cute jukebox here that is one piece, but it has all the details of the jukebox that you can fussy cut or color. Then next you get a milkshake. This is the milkshake. You get the glass, the straw, a cherry, and whipped cream. And then lastly here is french fries. You get the french fry container and several sizes of french fries that you can color and piece out and put together. So here are the dies. And then next you get Cling Mount rubber stamps. Here is Marcy, and she's a nice size. You get two sentiments right here. And then here are Good Times, these cute little poodles that are holding hands and dancing together. And then one is on some roller skates. And then you get sentiments as well. So let me show you my cards that I made. So the first card I use Retro Marcy, and here she is. So the paper pad that I used, it is Love You More, and so I used the black and white polka dot paper as the background, and then I used the large stitch tags. I made a cute little record here. I just used the double stitch circles, and I used two different sizes to create the record. Here's Marcy colored with Copic markers, and I used the cherry dies for the milkshake and also for her cute little skirt here. And then also I decided to make it fun, and I put the whipped cream and the cherry as like a little cute little hat on top of her. And then on her glasses I put some mini rhinestones at the end of each point right there. And then I colored the milkshake cup with Copic markers. The whipped cream is with Copic markers, as well as the cherries. And then I just drew some lines on the straw to make it a colored straw. I used the sentiment What's Shaking, and then just this little flag banner or a part of the small frame dies. And then yeah, so this is my first card. And then the second card I used the poodles from Good Times, and this is what it looks like. Again, I made like a mock record in the background. I used again the large stitch tags. Here's the jukebox, and as you can see I colored it with Copic markers. It does cut out holes for the screen here and the inside right there, so I took that out, and then the little holes there, and I placed some some pattern paper behind it, and then I colored it with Copic markers. You can see all the details from the die. Here is again the milkshake. I decided to put two straws this time so that one can they can share. The sentiment is shake, rattle, and roll. I used the cherry again for these two cherries right here. And then the two little poodles are colored with Copic markers, but instead of keeping them together, I just fussy cut it and slit them in half and then put one on each side of the milkshake. And this paper pad is called Hello Life. So I'll have all the Copic colors that I used for the images in my blog and all the dies as well. So these are my two projects that I created using the February Club Kit. And so you have till February 28th to sign up, and I hope you guys do. This is a really great value, and I love how there's coordinating dies and also the matching rubber stamps to go along with it. So that is my reveal video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Bye.